Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and hopefully you guys can hear me because lately my phone has been cutting out. But I'm back with another haul. So first I'm going to start with the groceries, and then I'm going to finish with some other items. So I have 3 of these grape Pedialytes. My daughter is sick, so I had to get her some Pedialyte. So I have 3 of the grape. I had 3 of the orange ones, but I had to open the other 2 and use them already, because she's sick and she's not really eating much. So I just had to open that and just start giving it to her. I do not know how many pounds this bag is. I have this 3-pound of Gala apples. I have these avocados. I have these tomatoes. I had 2 bunches of bananas, but I've been giving my daughter some. And these are some grapes. I have 2 packages of strawberries right here. I have some blueberries, and I have some tomatoes. I think I already showed you the avocado, but if not, here goes the avocado. I have a bag of oranges, and I have blueberries, and I have nectarines, and I have 2 lemons for my lemon water, and then I have some pears. I wanted plums instead of these, but the store didn't have any plums, so I had to settle for that. So I have some Clorox disinfecting cleaner, and this is for sprayer devices. So I'm hoping that means that I can just put it in a spray bottle. I'm hoping that's what that one means. And yeah, this was $8. Like, I don't know if the prices are like always as high, but $8 for this. I feel like I could have got a bigger size from probably Walmart, but. And I also have some Pedialyte freezer pops. These are in the freezer right now, so as my daughter wakes up, I'm gonna actually give her some of that. And I had to get her some more body wash. So I have 3 of these Aveeno babies. And this one works really good. She does have sensitive skin and she has eczema. And I was using Baby Dove, but for some reason I think it was breaking her out, so I switched her to this. And this one actually works really good for her skin. And I also got her some vitamins. And these are the Flintstones for immunity support. And then it says it's free of high corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and artificial flavors. I don't know if these come in a particular flavor. This is how it looks, but it doesn't say. And it's 150 count. No, it doesn't say the actual flavor. Yeah, it doesn't have the actual flavor. But I just wanted to give her some multivitamins because for some reason, she is constantly sick. I think she's sick probably about every 2 to 3 months. Like, she's just always sick and I can never figure out why. So I got that. So hopefully that helps. And I got 2 of these children ibuprofen. My daughter isn't 2 yet, but I still give her this because this tends to work better than the infant one. And she's almost 2, so her pediatrician said that I can use it because she is almost 2. So I have 2 of these. And then I also have this one. Normally, whenever she has a cough, I use the Zarbee's. I never use this particular type of Zarbee's. So this is going to be a new one. And this one is for coughing, mucus, and I think for the throat, if I'm not mistaken. It said it when I ordered it exactly what it was for. Yeah, it said when I ordered it exactly what it was for. So it is for cough, mucus. And I think it's for throat and nasal. It doesn't say it on here, but I think that's what it's for. And normally I get like the regular, the other Zarbee's. I think it comes with like the grape or something. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna show you. So normally I get this type of Zarbee's. And this one works pretty good with her cough. But I saw that they have this one, the day and the nighttime, and this cough syrup. So I figured I'd just give her these to see if it still works the same. And yeah, this twin pack for the day and night, $14 from Walmart. I'm like, yo, this is ridiculous. And then I have some feminine wash. This one works pretty good, and this is the VH Essentials brand. I also use this brand of probiotics, and it works really, really good. So I definitely recommend it. And I have this travel pack, I guess. I thought it was going to be bigger because this was $12. And this is the e.l.f. brand, so I have the daily cleanser. I have the daily toner. And let's see what that other one is. This one is a face cream. So I got it small so that way I can try it and see if I like it and see if it works before I get the bigger size. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys ever used this before. I don't think I've ever used this before. So I'm really just trying it just to see, because lately my face has been breaking out a lot. So I'm just trying to get my facial routine, or whatever you guys call it, my skin routine. I'm trying to get my skin routine together. So that's that. And I have 2 of these apple cider vinegars. I really bought this just to clean the fruit and the vegetables, because all of the 3 different TikToks that I have seen, people put like water in a bowl and then they put some apple cider vinegar in with the water, and that's how they have been cleaning their fruits and vegetables. So I don't know if I got the right one. I don't know if there's a particular one. You guys can comment down below and let me know if you guys use apple cider vinegar or what you use to clean off your actual fruit. If I am supposed to use apple cider vinegar, let me know. If not, then let me know what else I'm supposed to use. But I'm just following TikTok, so hopefully this works. And now I'm just going to get the other items, and I'm about to show you guys the other items. Alright, y'all, so I was going to move the stuff out the way, but I figured I'd just put it right here on the stove. So I have this 8-pack of these organizers. I'm going to put these in the fridge. So first I'm going to clean out the fridge and then put these organizers in the fridge. And I'm also going to wash out the fruit.